Hi, I'm Jade. I'm with Castle Auto Group in McHenry, Illinois. I've been working with Dealer Synergy for about 5 years, but this is my first IS20 group conference, and it's been great so far.
What's been your favorite part?
Seeing all the different speakers and hearing all the different perspectives, I like that they have so many different panelists, so you get to hear from so many different, people from all different regions, walks of life, do things differently at each dealership. So.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.